Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Manisha. I'm from Indian, guys. I am learning English. So guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing great. So guys, in today's video I would like to tell you some tips which will help you to learn this language. Because if we talk about some people, so some people think like it is very hard, and it is like very hard, and we can't learn this language, we can't speak this language. But it's not like that. My experience, it's not like that, because I used to think like this when I show the people like who are speaking fluently. So like I have a mentality, I always I used to always think like she is very intelligent and he is very intelligent, that's why she is speaking English, she is like conversation in English. But guys, it's not like that. Because it's a language, and if we will treat it, it's a language like as we speak Hindi, so we can definitely speak English. Now we have to learn this language because we don't have an environment, we don't have anything. So that is why like we have to give a lot of time to learn this language. So guys, if as we have a Hindi language environment and surrounding like people, so we can easily speak in Hindi. But if we talk about English, so we don't have anything, any thing. So that is why like we have to give a lot of time to learn this language. So don't think like it is very hard and it is very difficult, and uh, like intelligent people can only learn this language. It is not like that, because many people mentality like this. So don't first, you don't think like this, you just treat it like a language only. As you speak Hindi, so definitely you can speak English language. So there are some steps, there are some guidance you have to follow to learn this language. Like first is, you have to listen this language more and more. As we talk about like child, when the child grow and they start to talking in Hindi, so first they listen all the things, all the surroundings, whatever their family is talking, and like they only listening 1 or 2 year, they just only listening, keep listening. So that is why listening is very effective way to improve and learn this language. First you have to listen English more and more, then try to speak this language. This is very helpful. And one more important thing is, many people uh, many people try to translate every single sentences. So guys, if you also do the same, so you have to avoid this. Like if you are also doing like a single sentences, a small sentences, you just try to translate Hindi to English, so it is very long process. You have to avoid this, because when we translate Hindi to English, so we want to speak soon, but we are not able to speak. So don't translate, you just listen whatever the people is saying. You can listen anything like daily uses, conversation, podcast. First you listen more and more, you have to make the habit to listen English more and more every day. While you are doing some work, you can listen, you can uh, like open your phone and start watching a video. So that is how you can listening practice. So first you have to listen English more and more, and don't uh, try to translate every single sentences. Just capture English every time, just catch the word, catch the sentences, and just see the patterns, how they are making, how it is making. So it is very helpful. and don't think about a lot of grammar, because grammar is important but not a like uh, too much. We can say grammar is important, but if we will think about a lot like grammar rules and many things, so we always afraid to learn grammar. So that is why just don't think about anything, you just start speaking English. Whatever you are listening, whatever you are talking to people, like saying, just catch the sentences, catch the words, and just try to speak. This is very important way to improve yourself, guys. If you do these kind of things, so it is really helpful. And if you will think like, first I will learn everything like grammars, vocabularies, and phrases, so guys, definitely you can't speak this language, because English is not a very difficult subject, and like this it is only a language. We have to treat it like a language. If we are uh, taking it like a language, so definitely we can easily learn this language. I realized now it is a language, and we have to like take it very simply and very clearly. Just listen and try to speak in a daily conversation. So that is very important. That is very helpful. If you do these things like this, so definitely, guys, you can learn. You can improve yourself. So that's all I wanted to share with you in today's video, guys. And one more important thing is, don't afraid of making mistake, don't afraid of uh, like speak, don't hesitate to speak in front of anyone. Just try to speak. One time you can make mistake, second time you can make mistake, but third time definitely, if you will try, so you can speak perfect English. So just make the confidence, and just try to speak English every time, every single day. Just try to speak. So guys, that's all I wanted to share with you, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, so don't forget the like button, subscribe my channel for more videos, and guys, keep learning, keep supporting to me, and see you in the next video.